Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in the world. So today, girlies, yes, I have been very lucky and been sent another box from, if you want to know where from, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe. Grab a cuppa and let's get into the video. Okay, so today, girlies, yes, it's another unboxing of a Cherryz haul. Cherryz reached out to me and kindly gifted me another box of their amazing products. So if you don't know anything about Cherryz, you can find the app down below. All you have to do is just literally open up the app and you can get 20% off your first order if you use the code BEAUTY20, which is all down below, so go and check it out. And if you haven't ever heard of Cherryz before, basically it's like a B&M Home Bargains, but it's all done online and there is some fantastic stuff in there. So yeah, I was, as I said, kindly gifted another box from Cherryz, and I want to say a big thank you to Cherryz for working with me again. I am really excited, and yeah, let's get into what I got my hands on and Cherryz. Okay, first up, I got my hands on some food containers. So I've started back on my health journey again. I'm working out, I'm eating a lot more healthier, losing the weight that I put on after I got injured back in November, and I just feel really good at the minute. And I'm obviously batch making my food, I'm meal prepping, and these I just thought were really cute to prep my food in. I thought they might have been a little bit bigger, but that's fine. They are perfect for me to meal prep and take my food, you know, for lunch and stuff like that. So they come in a pack of 3. Actually, they're not too bad. It's not too bad because that's the amount of food I've put in there. I can get some fruit in there as well. So these were, I can't remember. I'll put the price and all the details on the screen so you guys can check them out, because I can't remember now. It's been a few weeks since I last ordered these. So I got myself a couple of, so I've got 6 of these in total. I just wanted to see, you know, if they worked out and that, and I thought they were really cute and pink and, you know, go with my theme. Then I got some of these toffee pops. These are just like a childhood memory, but they're not for me. I've already been told off today by the coach for even thinking about eating chocolate. So they're not for me, they are for the kids. But they are a childhood memory and I want them to go through what we remember as kids. And these are absolutely delicious. If you've never tried a toffee pop, you need to get your hands on these because they are absolutely delicious. Once you start, you can't stop. It's like a Pringle, but these are better. Then I got my hands on, the last haul I did, I actually bought this A4 notepad, but this actually comes with a pen, so I thought this was really handy, and it's where I put all my YouTube ideas, and I also do what's the new beauty, so I just do my research using all this because I think they're really cute, and I like the fact that it came with a pen this time round. So I got the Believe, and then I got a unicorn, and I actually got this for Penny. So she's starting to write a lot more now, and I can see like she just writes on pieces of paper and little notes and leaves them lying around, so I thought I'd get that for her as well. And then I really thought this pen was really cute. I thought it's nice little you know, for the flat lays and stuff like that, so it's really cute to put it on some photos next to some makeup. So it's a nice gold feather, and then it's a ballpoint pen on the end there. Then I got some of this fuel porridge. So it's high in protein, high in fibre, and it's one that you just add the boiling water to, and they are, there's 262 calories per part, which is quite a lot. I mean, how much is the sugar? 15.3. So no, I won't be eating these because they are high in sugar. But I just thought, because I'm back on my training, but these were really good to have like at work. Sometimes if I forget, I can just have this and then that's it, I'm done. But yeah, we'll see. I got 3 of those. I then got these little packets, the Mocate Gold Premium Iced Coffee Drink, caramel flavour, and all you do is add milk and ice, and it's 58 calories, which is not too bad. I suppose once in a blue moon as a little treat is good, but I'm really into my iced coffee at the minute. I love an iced latte from Costa at the minute, so I just thought I'd make my own at home. It's a bit cheaper, isn't it? I've got another So that, I think they were like 2 for £1 or something like that. Then I got some a exfoliating foot peel, tea tree and peppermint. Foot peel treatment enriched with tea tree and peppermint to gently remove rough, dead skin, leaving your feet soft and silky smooth. And yeah, I need it because I'm running a lot more and working out a lot more. I'm constantly on my feet. I just thought that my feet needs a bit of TLC, so I thought I'd give them a little pamper and go with that. I needed some cotton pads, so I've run out of those, so I got 2 packs of those. There's 120 in each one. They're not too bad of a size, but yeah, I've run out of them so quickly, so glad that these have come. I can use them. Then I've got some jelly beans, the Haribo ones. These are amazing. If you haven't tried them, you need to try them. They are really nice. They've got popcorn, candy floss, marshmallow, blackcurrant, raspberry flavours, and they are good. I mean, when I get a bit of a sweet tooth, I just have a couple of them and that just helps that. Then I got some Arnie Care. Now this stuff is really good. So basically, if you bruise, it's for the kids more than anything, if they bump their heads or bang themselves and get a bruise, you put that on and it helps the bruise to go down quite quickly. It's used for the relief of bruises, a traditional herbal medicine product used for symptomatic relief of bruises based on traditional use only. So yeah, it's a really good product to have in the first aid kit, especially with kids. Like, you know, if they've bumped their head and you put it on, it literally takes the bruise out quite quickly. Got this little thing for Penny. She's really into colouring at the minute, so I've got her little bag with some correct colour felt tips and she can use that. I then managed to get my hands on 2 of these. So these are like to put into the drawers, because I'm going to actually reorganise my whole collection, so that's another video coming soon. And it's just to put everything nice and organised in the drawers. So I've got a couple of those, and I just wanted to see the size, and they're quite a nice size, so I might actually get some more of these because they're really cute. And then I got a 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner for Penny, Princess obviously, and oh my god, it's cherry scented. Why didn't I even think of that? She hates cherry. Could get away with it being a different smell. I could just say it's watermelon and she might believe me. And then I got a Luxe moisturising shower gel for a long lasting alluring fragrance, soft touch. That smells delicious. So Better Perfume Bloom. That's so nice. It's got a floral fusion oil. That's really, it smells really nice. So yeah, that. And then the last thing I got was some calcium and vitamin D tablets, so bone health. Definitely need these, but hubby bought a big magnesium with calcium in there as well, and I've been taking them. So yeah, this has got vitamin D and it helps to maintain normal bones and teeth, so it's not bad. I'll double check those ones and see if I can take these ones and just, you know, use them, or just use them ones and then start taking these once we've used them up. And that's it. Yeah, so that's all I got my hands on from Cherryz this time round. Thank you very much again for working with me, Cherryz. I really appreciate it, and thank you again for reaching out to me and kindly gifting me all these products. So like I said, you can get a 20% off your first order if you use the code BEAUTY20 at the shopping cart, and you can only, this is all based on the app, so go ahead and download the app, which is just click the link down below and it will take you directly to the app, and then you can yeah, do some bit of shopping. It's got everything in there. Like, it ranges from home care, I think there's some clothes on there, there's animal stuff, there's seasonal stuff, there's Father's Day stuff. So yeah, go and check it out. And yeah, that's it. So guys, give this a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed today's video, and let me know if you have gone over to Cherryz and checked them out. And like I said, go ahead and just use the code so that you guys can get 20% off. It's quite a big saving. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you again, and I'll see you all on my next video on Beauty and the Kids. Bye.